Let me guess, you're doing push-ups, pull-ups, maybe some dips, and you're still skinny. No size, no strength jump, no visible change. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Skinny guys don't fail at bodyweight training because it doesn't work. They fail because they train it wrong. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why your body hasn't changed, what mistakes are holding you back, and how to fix them with a simple, realistic plan. No gym, no supplements hype, no nonsense. If you're skinny and serious about building muscle with bodyweight, this will save you months of wasted effort. Step-by-step content. Step 1. You're chasing reps, not tension. You think more reps equals more muscle, so you do 30, 40, even 100 push-ups. Here's the problem. Muscle doesn't grow from movement, it grows from tension. If your push-ups feel easy, your muscles have no reason to adapt. Skinny guys burn calories fast, and high reps just burn more. What to do instead? Slow the reps down, 3 to 4 seconds down. Pause at the hardest position. Use harder variations before adding reps. Less movement, more tension. Step 2. You avoid the hard variations. You stick to basic push-ups and assisted pull-ups because they feel clean. But your body adapts fast. If an exercise doesn't scare you a little, it's not building muscle anymore. Instead, push-ups to decline, pseudo-planche or archer. Squats to split squats, wall sits or tempo squats. Pull-ups to slow negatives or holds at the top. Skinny guys don't need more exercises, they need harder ones. Step 3. You're training like you're cutting, not building. You train every day, high volume, no rest. That works if you're trying to get lean, not if you're trying to grow. Muscle grows when you recover, not when you're exhausted. Fix this by training 3 to 4 days per week, leaving 1 to 2 reps in reserve, giving muscles 48 hours to recover. Training hard is good, training smart is better. Step 4. You're under-eating and you know it. Let's be honest, you say you eat a lot, but you don't eat consistently. Skinny guys burn calories like a furnace. If you don't eat enough, your body prioritizes survival. Muscle growth shuts down. Training feels harder than it should. You don't need junk food, you need regular fuel. Protein at every meal, carbs around workouts, enough calories to recover. No surplus, no size. Step 5. You ignore holds and isometrics. This is a big one. Skinny guys benefit massively from isometric holds. Wall sits, plank variations, pull-up holds, push-up bottom holds. Why? They build time under tension. They strengthen weak points. They teach your body to stay tight. If you shake during a hold, that's growth knocking. Common mistakes. Let's call these out clearly. Doing endless reps with zero progression. Training every day with no recovery. Avoiding harder variations. Eating randomly instead of consistently. Copying routines made for advanced athletes. Expecting results in 2 weeks. Bodyweight training works, but only when it's progressive and intentional. 7-day action plan. Day 1, push focus. Slow push-ups, 4 seconds down, 4 sets. Push-up bottom hold, 3 times 20 to 30 seconds. Pike hold, 3 times max time. Day 2, lower body. Wall sit, 4 times 30 to 60 seconds. Split squat, slow reps, 3 sets each leg. Standing calf holds, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Day 3, rest or light walk. Day 4, pull focus. Pull up negatives or holds, 4 sets. Inverted rows, slow, 3 sets. Dead hang, 3 times max time. Day 5, core and stability. Plank hold, 3 times 45 to 60 seconds. Side plank, 3 sets each side. Hollow body hold, 3 sets. Day 6, optional full body, light. Focus on technique, not fatigue. Day 7, rest. Eat well, sleep well, repeat next week slightly harder. If this video hit you, like it. It tells me you want real progress. Comment "skinny no more" if you're done wasting time. And subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you the exact bodyweight progression system that actually builds size, step by step.